Dear students, welcome you all for the third session of marketing management of first chapter. In this session, we are going to discuss about marketing mix and elements of marketing mix. The learning objective of this session is to give conceptual clarity on marketing mix concept, and the expected session outcome is the students are able to understand the marketing mix strategy practiced by business firms. Before going to discuss about today's topic, I would like to give you a brief recap of previous session. In the previous session, we have discussed about core marketing concepts, which includes needs, wants, demands, target markets, positioning, segmentation, offerings and brands, marketing channels, paid, owned and earned media, impressions and engagement, value and satisfaction, supply chain, competition, and marketing environment. Now let us discuss about today's topic, marketing mix. Marketing mix. The word marketing mix was coined by Professor Neil H. Borden of Harvard Business School to describe the combination of four inputs: the product, the price structure, the promotional activities, and the distribution system, which constitute the core of a firm's marketing system. Dear students, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ 4 pieces of marketing: product, price, place, promotion, which were proposed by Jerome McCarthy, are named as marketing mix by Harvard professor Neil H. Borden. ಹಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ನೀಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಬೋರ್ಡನ್ ಅವರು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಷಿಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟರ್ ಜೆರೋಮಿ ಮೆಕ್ಕಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ 4 pieces ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ನ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾಮಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್? Marketing mix refers to the set of actions or tactics that a company uses to promote its brand or product in the market. The 4 P's make up a typical marketing mix: product, price, promotion, and place. Dear students, marketing mix is the set of actions or decisions. The marketer has to take a lot of decisions regarding 4 P's or components of marketing, such as product, price, promotion, and place. In case of product, marketer has to decide what to produce, how to produce, when to produce, and how much to produce. In case of price, marketer has to fix the right price for their product. In case of promotion, marketer has to choose right communication medias to reach out their customers. And in case of place, marketer has to make sure that their product are available at the right place at the right time. By combining all these decisions regarding product, price, promotion, and place, marketers develop a marketing tactic or plan or strategy that a company can use to promote its brand or product in the market. ನಮಗೆ 4 pieces ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ: ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್. ಈ 4 ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಪನೀಸು ತಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. In simple words, we can say that marketing mix is the combination of marketing decisions regarding product, price, place, and promotion. Mr. Philip Kotler has defined the term marketing mix as the set of controllable marketing variables that the firm blends to produce the response it wants in the target market. Mr. Philip Kotler ಪ್ರಕಾರ marketing mix is the set of controllable marketing variables. Controllable marketing variables here are 4 pieces of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. By blending and combining these variables, a firm can create marketing mix. By creating marketing mix, the firms are able to produce the response it wants in the target market. Marketing mix na create ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಬೈ ಕಂಬೈನಿಂಗ್ 4 pieces ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. 4 pieces ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗನ್ನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Now let us discuss about the 4 P's of marketing. First one, product. Product refers to what business offers for sale to its customers in return for a consideration. The offering may be a tangible good or intangible one. Tangible goods like car, books, mobile phones, etc. Intangible goods are services such as insurance plan or banking services. And even an intangible idea also considered as a product, such as creating awareness about the importance of donating eyes after the death. And the companies has to deal with various product decisions like product varieties, quality of the product, design, features of the product, brand name, packaging, after sales services, warranties and guarantees, investment and return. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸು ಸಹ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಟು ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೋತ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೈಕಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಸ್. Monetary means money and psychological cost means the time and effort the customer spent in acquisition of the product. Marketers must determine the best price for their products. In order to do that, marketers ascertain their product's value or what it is worth to their customers. Once the value of a product is established, the marketer knows what price to charge for the products. Pricing decisions involves fixing list price, offering discounts and allowances to attract customers, payment methods, credit terms. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸು ಸಹ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ದಿ physical separation between buyers and sellers to assure that products are available at the right place at the right time. Dear students, customers for any products are scattered over a wide geographical area, and it is humanly impossible for any manufacturer to go up to every customer and deliver the products. This is where the middleman comes into the picture. Like wholesalers, retailers, commission agents, or e-commerce companies, these middlemen helps manufacturer to deliver products to consumers living in various parts of the world at the right place and at the right time. Our manufacturer may set up their own retail outlets to serve their customers directly. The place or distribution decisions involve selection of distribution channels, area of coverage, selection of locations to open retail outlets, inventory management, selection of mode of transport for movement of goods from manufacturer place to final consumer's place, and warehousing facilities. And the last component in the product marketing mix is promotion. Dear students, once the product is developed in accordance with the needs of the consumers, it needs to be priced attractively, and then it needs to be available at the point of sale. But the customer will not ask about the product on their own because the customers are not aware about the product. That is when the promotion comes into the picture. Promotion refers to all those activities the marketer undertake to inform consumers about the product as well as to persuade and influence them to buy it over competitors' products. Marketers use various promotional tools like print advertisement, TV commercials, posters, leaflets, point of purchase, hoardings, video films, face and trade shows, telemarketing, contests, seminars, paid searches to reach out consumers. And promotional elements include sales promotion, advertising, sales force, public relations, and direct marketing. And this is all about marketing mix. Thank you for your patience listening.